If you're like me and have the uncontrollable urge to wear Halloween decorations, this video is for you. There's gotta be a better way to say that. Or if you just like Halloween, or decorations, or dresses. Here's some of the things I've picked out. I've got 3 different types of plastic spiders. Itty bitties. Oh, nope, there they go. Medium size, medium spiders. And a couple of these big boys. It's not really Halloween themed, but just some thick white ribbon that I'm going to use to tie the back of the dress since I'm not sewing anything. Tinsel garland? Tinsel garland. For decorative indoor use only. I mean, technically, and some black tulle. This one's 25% more free. Good for it. Couple of bats. They're super cute. Look at their faces. I say to look at them and then I don't even hold it still. It's just, look at this bat! But they are pretty cute. I don't really know what these are, but I liked them, so I put them on my walls. And I think these are gonna be some cool little glove things. Some creepy cloth. Alternatively, just sheer curtain. I think this is like a yardstake. This is gonna be a really cool staff. A whole bunch of these little skulls. I've already made a necklace and little headpiece. This one has little flowers. So I've already got some of the accessories made and the hoop skirt. The next thing I'm gonna do is wrap some ribbon around the mannequin and tie it in the bow in the back. So I'm just gonna wrap a bunch of this around the mannequin, glue it in place, and then I'm gonna cut open the back so that when the ribbon comes undone, so does the tulle. You might want to cover your mannequin in cling wrap or wax paper first so that you don't literally glue everything to it. Sorry if the light keeps changing in the studio. I'm working on natural light right now. What the heck? It's only like 3 o'clock. The sheer curtain, I'm stepping all over it. The sheer curtain's gonna go directly onto the ribbon. Either glue or sewing it, whichever method you pick is fine. Oh hey, my camera died. Welcome back. Yeah, you too. I've since moved my dress to a different mannequin. I've added a little bit of tinsel because I think that's gonna look great among the spiders. But, can you see that? Yeah, kind of. I added lights. Ooh, spooky. These are just little string lights you can pick up online or at Halloween stores. The black part of the tinsel I think is gonna kind of look like spiders from a distance. So if I run out of plastic spiders or if there's just space in between them, this is gonna help fill it up. Hey. I'm not gonna use that. It smells like old pineapple and turpentine. It is not an authentic Halloween smell. I only use the best smelling products, like Dollar Tree tinsel. This just kind of smells like generic old lady. The idea is that I'll outline the skirt with the black tinsel and then go back in with the sparkly bits later. This is probably gonna look like a hot mess. This looks amazing. I've changed the skulls from a necklace into sleeves. Sleeves? Shoulder bones. No. Sleeves. I've moved the lights to the bodice, so now it looks like a bunch of little spider eyes looking at you. That's cute. These little sky boys are just on wire, and over that, more creepy cloth. The middle section slides down into a piece of PVC. And should you have to climb into a small limousine like the average millennial, they pop right out. Ultimately, this whole thing cost like $25. Oh, and the staff I made using just a yardstick and 1-inch PVC, it just hit the ceiling. A few other things I forgot to mention. Mr. Window Spider, your time is up, Mr. Spider. I need your web for my hair. It's for the good of everyone. I also used some beads. If you're wondering where the white tinsel went, it's mostly scattered all over the floor, also all over the skirt of the dress to make it kind of look like spider web. I need to clean the floor before the cat eats that. He loves eating floor things. Floor things are his favorite. Hopefully I post this video in time for Halloween. If it's still relevant, this month on Patreon you can get my Halloween cards featuring this costume and Bowsette, along with an exclusive Edgar sticker, and this is physical mailed items. There's also a digital tier. Next month I'm doing Art Nouveau cards again. This time it's going to feature my Wonder Woman and Starfire dresses. Thank you and happy Halloween. This is going to be incredibly itchy to wear.